Hello and welcome to Brainy Larks, where we empower you to reach your full potential. In our video today, we talk about how to dominate 2023. It is difficult to predict exactly what will happen in 2023, but it is possible to focus on setting goals and working towards them in order to have a successful year. Achieving success can also provide a sense of pride and confidence, which can motivate you to continue pursuing your goals and aspirations. In a professional context, achieving success in 2023 can lead to promotions, recognition, and financial stability. It can also provide opportunities for growth and advancement within an organization or industry. Ultimately, the importance of achieving success in 2023 will depend on your personal goals and values. We all want to make the most of our lives and achieve our goals, and 2023 is the perfect time to do just that. Here are 10 ways you can dominate this year. 1. Set clear and achievable goals. Determine what you want to achieve in 2023 and create a plan to get there. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable steps. This can help you stay on track and make progress towards your larger goals. Setting goals is only the first step. You will need to stay motivated and take consistent action to achieve your goals. Find ways to stay motivated, such as setting small rewards for yourself as you make progress or finding an accountability partner. Be flexible, be open to adjusting your goals as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and it's okay to pivot if you find that your goals are no longer realistic or relevant. 2. Prioritize your time. Make sure you are spending your time wisely and focusing on what's most important. Effective time management is an important skill that can help you be more productive and achieve your goals. Write down everything you need to do and prioritize the tasks based on importance and deadline. This can help you focus on the most important tasks first and ensure that you don't forget anything. Delegate tasks. If you have tasks that can be delegated to someone else, consider doing so. This can help you focus on the tasks that are most important to you and free up time for other priorities. 3. Learn new skills. The more skills you have, the more valuable you will be in the workforce. Identify the skill you want to learn. First, determine what skill you want to learn and why you want to learn it. This will help you focus your efforts and stay motivated. Find resources. Look for resources that can help you learn the skill. This could include books, online courses, tutorials, or workshops. Practice consistently. The key to learning any new skill is practice. Set aside dedicated time to practice, and try to practice consistently. As you practice, be patient with yourself and remember that it takes time to master new skills. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from someone who is knowledgeable about the skill you are learning. This can help you identify areas where you need to improve and give you guidance on how to do so. 4. Network and build relationships. Building a strong network of contacts can open doors to new opportunities. Attend industry events and make connections with professionals in your field. Use social media and professional networking sites like LinkedIn to connect with people in your industry or field of interest. Always follow up. After making a connection, follow up with the person to continue the conversation. This can be through an email or a LinkedIn message, or even a phone call or in-person meeting. When networking and building relationships, be genuine and authentic. People are more likely to want to connect with you if you are sincere and interested in building a relationship. 5. Take risks. Don't be afraid to try something new or take a chance on an opportunity. You never know what may come of it. Taking risks can be an important part of achieving success, as it allows individuals to step outside of their comfort zones and try new things. However, it is important to be mindful and strategic when considering taking risks, as they can also come with potential downsides or consequences. It is also important to consider one's personal risk tolerance, as what may be a worthwhile risk for one person may not be for another. Ultimately, taking calculated risks that align with one's goals and values can be a key to success, as it allows individuals to grow and learn from new experiences. 6. Stay positive. A positive attitude can go a long way in achieving your goals. Keep a positive mindset and don't let setbacks hold you back. Maintaining a positive attitude can be challenging, especially in difficult times. But the good news is that there are steps that you can take to cultivate a more positive outlook. It can be helpful to practice gratitude. This means focusing on the things that you are thankful for, no matter how small. This can help to shift your perspective and reframe challenges as opportunities for growth. Another tip for staying positive is to surround yourself with positive influences. This can be as simple as spending time with supportive and uplifting people, or consuming media that leaves you feeling inspired and motivated. 7. Stay organized. Keep your schedule and tasks organized to stay on top of everything you need to do. Being organized can help you to be more productive, reduce stress, and feel more in control of your life. Keep your space clean and clutter-free. A cluttered space can contribute to feelings of chaos and stress. Set aside time each day or week to tidy up and get rid of unnecessary items. Make a to-do list, write down everything that you need to do, and prioritize tasks by importance or deadline. This can help you to stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember, everyone has their own unique style of organization, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. By staying organized, you can improve your productivity and overall sense of well-being. 8. Stay focused. Avoid distractions and stay focused on your goals. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to stay focused and avoid distractions. Remove distractions from your workspace, such as turning off your phone or closing unnecessary tabs on your computer. It's important to take breaks to rest and recharge, but be sure to set limits and avoid overindulging in leisure activities. Remember, it's okay to have moments of distraction, but by making an effort to stay focused and on track, you can increase your productivity and achieve your goals. 9. Keep learning. Never stop learning and growing as a person. Stay up to date on industry trends and keep your knowledge fresh. Lifelong learning is the process of continuously learning and acquiring new knowledge, skills, and experiences throughout one's life. By expanding your knowledge and skills, you can better navigate and solve problems in your daily life. Learning can stimulate the brain and improve cognitive function, which can contribute to overall well-being. 10. Believe in yourself. The most important thing is to believe in yourself and your abilities. If you believe you can do it, you can. One strategy is to focus on your strengths and accomplishments, rather than dwelling on your weaknesses. It can also be helpful to surround yourself with supportive and encouraging people, and to practice self-care to improve your overall well-being. It's normal to have moments of self-doubt, but by making an effort to believe in yourself, you can increase your confidence and resilience and achieve your goals. We hope these tips will help you dominate 2023 and achieve your goals. Remember to stay focused, stay positive, and never stop learning and growing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to tip us by hitting the like button and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos. Thank you for watching.